welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am going to be unboxing this Israel pack. It is a subscription box and it has a bunch of homemade stuff from Israel, and I'm really excited because I did have like a little sneak peek that they showed me. It was homemade, like just like food, like ingredients you can cook with, and it also had like homemade like soaps and lotions and stuff like that, just homemade stuff from Israel. And I really love homemade stuff, even though I'm not like a homemade kind of person, like doing it myself. I do like stuff that is homemade, or I don't know, I just like when it's like handmade or homemade. So yeah, it's an Israel pack, and I know it is in Hebrew writing. And this box, I do have like a 35% discount code for you in the description box below in case you wanted to check it out for yourself. This has like $200 worth of retail value worth of stuff inside, and you can get the box at a regular price, $99, but like I said, 35% off of that code in my description box. But I was sent this for free to review on my channel, but everything's going to be 100% from me, all my opinions about it, and I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's get into it. So here it is. This is what it looks like as soon as I open it. Oh my goodness. A little stool beside me, so yeah. Invite a friend, get a free box. For more information, visit Israel Pack Referral. There's that. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking some of the information. It's not going to focus, is it? Here's something else, another card. And here is about what you can make with the stuff that is inside, plus some of the things that is inside. And here is that when you remove those things. Smells good. Right, the first thing I see is these hot red paprika with oil, and it's in Hebrew. That's neat. And it's like a, you wanna come? It's food. Are you coming over here?
Me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. You wanna see the food? No? Okay.
What kind of food?
It's red, or it's hot red paprika with oil. You wanna unbox it with me? I wonder what it smells like inside. Probably smells like paprika with oil. You sure you don't want to make something with this today? Ooh, it smells good. Come here. You're the cook.
I don't want to be famous.
You don't want to be famous, yeah. Well, you don't have nothing to worry about there.
Okay.
Come here. No. I'll show you later when I'm done. Now I gotta find the lid. There it is. It's like in a salt shaker, or like a seasoned packaging. Cool. Smells good. It's got a recipe on here for shashuka. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's like a breakfast thing though. How you can use some of the stuff that's inside. Do you like olives?
Yes.
good because I don't. And they sent a, what is it? Olives with lemon from Zeta Olive. Oh, you can actually see the lemon in it.
Little olive.
Do what?
Little olives, aren't they?
It feels kind of oily on the outside, but it's sealed. Yeah, I don't even like the smell of olives, so. But that's interesting. I don't have nowhere to put this. Ooh. It doesn't smell that bad. Nice oil for my hands while I unbox it. And here is, what is this? Shea and Macadamia Nourishing Natural Hand Cream. Cute. Cute. Yeah. Oh, I want to get it on my nose. Feels like a hand cream. It feels good. Feels almost silky in a way. Oh, when you rub it, it smells. I don't know. What is it? I don't know what that smell is. It doesn't smell like macadamia. Or maybe it does. I don't know. It's like a citrusy smell. I'm going to pump another one. This feels good. Feels really good. I like this. Ooh. It smells really good. I like that. Hell yeah. You want some hand lotion? It smells really good. Not like too feminine.
Maybe later.
Just put your hand over here.
Right now. Pause your video for a minute.
Okay. Alright, the next thing is this. And I do believe this is like a pot holder. Handmade pot holder. Yes. From Top. Durable, 100% cotton, easy to wash, resistible to bleach. Wow, cool. Heat resistant up to 400 degrees. I love this. Look at the detail. I really love it. I love little twine like that, like little presents or gifts. And it says thank you on it. It's so cute. So cute. And I've seen a couple videos of people unboxing this Israel pack box, and in my opinion this one is the cutest, and I got it. Look at it. It's like a little, what is this? This is a little moon, sun, and like a little flake of some sort, and it's red. I love it. I like this one. This one's been the prettiest one I've seen so far, and it has the little tag on it, made in Israel. That is adorable, and it feels so good. It feels so good. I need another coffee, or not coffee pot, pot holder, because I don't remember ever buying. I think the last ones I have is from when we basically got married. So they're like over a decade old. So this one's going to be mine. I love it. It's so cute, and it feels good, and yes. And it's kind of bigger too, so it covers your whole hand. I like it. And oh, it's so cute. So cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right. I think this is the little ceramic bowl, and I think this, I think my husband's going to take this from me, and my little girl better not break it because she's a little dip head. She likes to, I'm not calling her a name. Literally, she loves like cheese dip and stuff and making it. So, and she's really bad about breaking my coffee mugs because they're cute, and she likes me. Sounds so cool. That feels good, and it's so cute on the inside. Kind of goes with my makeup look in my shirt today, and I did not mean to do that. Maybe this was like when I saw the unboxings last night of a couple other people doing this unboxing. Maybe that's why I wanted to do this look and not even realize it. I don't even know. But this is a handmade bowl from K Clay. Easy to use and clean. You can serve sauce, dips, or olives in this small clay bowl. Definitely not going to have olives in it, but like salsa and chips. Yes, I love it, and it's so cute. So cute. Love it with my eye look and my shirt. So cute. I love it. There it is up close again. And there's the back. That makes that pretty noise. So pretty. I love it. I hope I don't break it. And it came in a cute little bag. I love that. So cute. And their packaging is A+. Now the olive thing with the lemon thing, it kind of weirds me out that it was a little oily on the outside of the packaging, but it's okay. It's okay. Now this is probably the soap. What's that say? This is a handmade soap and cream. Oh, okay. This is the handmade soap from Sabon McCall, something. It's a sad truth of housekeeping that even if you wear gloves, basically it's saying that it's dry, your hands dry out, even if you wear gloves doing housekeeping, which luckily I don't do the kitchen stuff. And this will probably be going to my bathroom, to be honest. Oh my God, this smells so good. Can you use this for your face? Hand creams, there will be. I don't think this will be used by my husband. He won't appreciate it as much as me. And by the way, that's what it came in. So cute. So I'll probably keep it in my bathroom because I will use it and I will love it. It smells so good. And it says on here, Dead Sea Mud Herbal Face Washing Soap. So it is a face washing soap. Good. I will put that in my bathroom and use it tonight. I will. And it smells good. And I can't wait to use it. And I'm going to put it back in the little soap thing. I love the handmade soap. Okay, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Oh Lord. I'm getting ahead of myself. What is this? Let's see. What is this? This is probably the dry tomato spread with basil. No? Yeah. Alright, I really love the container that is in. Very cute. Very cute. It says vegan friendly right there. And and look how it's sealed too. Super cute. I'm going to open it up and smell it. Alright, I should have recorded that because it popped open. Oh my God, this smells so good. Oh, look at that. You can't, I mean, it doesn't look that great, but it smells. My mouth is watering. Oh, it smells so good. There it is. Oh, I need to make something with this stuff. Alright, we're into the last thing, which is the extra virgin olive oil from Lynn's Farm. That's another thing about this box so far, that it's like, you know, homemade or like from farms or whatever, you know. Here it is after I opened it. Nice bottle, love it. And for some reason I want to open it. Wow, I like it. Smells like olive oil. And you can use this for a bunch of stuff other than just cooking, and I probably will. So that's the last thing in the box. Very, very beautiful ingredients, all homemade or from farmers, and oh, it smells delicious. So we got the olive oil, and we got the dried tomato spread, which smells absolutely wonderful. I've never had dried tomato spread, so yum. We have the Dead Sea Mud Herbal Face Washing Soap. That smells good, and I can't wait to use tonight. We have this handmade bowl, which is very pretty, especially with my makeup look today. I even got gray on my lids, which is not exactly this color, but I'm just saying, couldn't have worked out better. And I did not do it on purpose. I really didn't. I really wanted to use this gray from the Essence water palette. That's what, you know, inspired, or what started off this look, and then I was like, I need to make it summery looking, so blue and gray, I don't know. And then I got the olives, which I don't think I'll personally use myself, but I'm sure my husband will. And then we got the lotion, the hand lotion, which I'm probably going to keep in my car because my hands do get dry at work, especially nowadays when you have to use hand sanitizer after pretty much every single customer. So yeah, and I don't know, it just smells really good. And then the last thing was the hot red paprika with oil. That I gotta figure out how to use all the ingredients. I might make this shashuka, I guess that's how you call it, or what you say, tomorrow. Don't know yet, but I really love the box. So let me know what you think of this box. Have you gotten the box yet? Do you think you would like this box? Whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for the opportunity to open this box from this Israel Pack company. Thank you so much. I really love it. And thank you for the opportunity. To everybody else out there that's watching, thank you for watching. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.